by the Minutemen. But today, I'm using the worldwide known version as the Jackass theme. And with the recent Jackass movie coming out, I thought there'd be some old people like me that, remember watching that show and thinking, what the fuck? But anyways, if you're a dude and, you were once a 12-year-old boy, you can totally relate. These guys just capitalized on it. So I thought it'd be cool to, pay homage to the Minutemen, one of the greatest bands ever to step on stage or to record anything or to even assemble. Double nickels on the dime. Corona. It's one of the many, there's like 40 songs. Highly recommend listening to this if you play guitar, bass, drums, or just love music. And it's just a really great study in double stops, and it starts out here on G7 at the and this is all on the B and G string, 3rd and 4th fret for the G7, and then it goes to C, 5th fret, D, and just picks it and just kind of arpeggiates it, picks it and just gives it some vibrato. And goes back down from C, G7, F. And these two notes open are just representing the G or G7. And I'm going from and from strumming the that's F sharp to G, back open to G again. F7, G7, back to G7 or whatever. And then the little turnaround thing, and then it'll go from G7, C, back to D 2 times. I drank a bunch of coffee before I started to film this so I can kind of get amped up. But now I feel like really jittery, like I'm all fucking methed out or something. So I hope you really have fun with this one. This is it just catches your ear. It makes me think of like a rodeo and just a lot of just very visual in sound, deceiving yet simple. You can end it with this little tag up here on the A string from the 1st fret to the 2nd fret while that G and B string are ringing out. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe. Hope you're having a great summer. And once again, thanks for heading over here, giving it a shot, checking out my videos. Appreciate it. Take care.